How to set up Zelle. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to set up Zelle app. So in order to set up Zelle, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first of all, you have to install the application, and when you're done installing it, go ahead and open it up and click on get started. So when you press on get started, it's going to take you to this page where you have to go through the terms and conditions first of all. So when you click on get started, next interface, it's going to ask you to provide in the phone number that you wish to link with or that you wish to register with, and then once you're done entering the phone number, moving on, you'll be able to see the privacy and security page. Tap on the terms and conditions and click on continue, and now it's time to add your bank account. So type in the bank account that you wish to add. Now on the other page, it's going to ask you to log in into your online bank account, and for that case, go ahead and tap on login. And when you do that, here you'll be able to see this confirmation code. So go through it and click the verify button and then enter in the confirmation code as well. Once done with that procedure, moving on, you'll be able to see that you've successfully logged into your Zelle account, indicating that you've successfully created your Zelle account. So that is how you can create your Zelle account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.